See this thing. E36 sedan. It's an auto. Nonetheless, it's an E36. I think I got sideswiped or something. Yeah. RIP. Not really seeing anything cool so far. So, I guess we'll keep looking. Stock BBS. There's old Mercedes though. Thing's cool. Let me in. Beamer. And it's auto. Back to this thing. Thing's cool. Oh, shit. A little Z3. Missing trans, of course. Looks a good candidate from a boy Raul. And was an auto, so never mind. No manual trans anyway. Shit. RIP. I don't think this is what they meant by taking a little off the top. Convertible swap? I know a guy. I spy a little gem. E36 vert. I'd say it was an alpha manual. I don't think the trans is there no more. What? Another RIP. Yeah, it was a manual. Ugh. Yeah, trans ain't there no more. RIP. It would have been a get rag anyway. You don't really want those. Golf. Not a VR6 though. Still a Golf. There's a G20. I think these came with like NASR. The US version of a SR20. Mercedes. And this is what I was looking for. Altezza seats. I caught the front and rear. I don't need the rear at all. I have no use for the rear. You could probably sell them. They seem like they're a bitch to take out though, so I don't know if I even want to try to take them out. Front should be easy. Taillights are still here. Someone took a door. Alright. So this is here. I'm gonna go look around a little bit more. Hopefully no one takes these fucking things. Oh shit. ECU's still here, coil packs are still here. I think I saw the igniter too. Is this a thing people do to minis? Like cut the roofs off? Like, I don't know, it's like a hard top, a hard thing to come by or something. G, and it's auto. Really don't care about those. BF, got his shit pushed in. It's an auto. Oh fuck. RP. Jesus Christ. Even with the skirts. Race core. Jesus. Who gave this dude my mixtape? I'm back in the same spot I fucking was at before. Auto CRV. B series high compression for like a drum set. Yeah, back in the same fucking spot. Really isn't much here today, except for those seats. There's a cord, an old Amory. And we're back at that E36 that we were at. It's a little dry today. Holy shit, they're about to paint this thing. Gave up. Yeah, I'll go get a cart. I guess I'll get those seats. Alright, got the seats out. Let's go and pay. Alright, so it's a little packed back here, but you know, I got it done. Get to my house and show you what I got. I mean, you already know what I got, but better look. And here we are. From what I was told, these are Altezza seats, which is like the JDM or European IS300. Which makes sense because I don't think I've ever seen cloth seats in an IS300 US spec. I didn't get the rear seats because I have no use for them. And I think it would only be worth it if you sell them all as a whole to like some IS300 guy. But I'm not going to sell these. I'm going to use a passenger seat. I don't know what I'll use the driver's seat for. I don't know, I'll clean these up and then I gotta make some brackets for 240. Good thing I have a whole bunch of 246 seat rails. I'll just make something work, weld a bracket or something, who knows. So yeah. Oh, what it cost me. Stupid shit. Oh yeah, here are the valve covers I got last time. I didn't do anything to them at all. Let's see, $15 each. I saved 57 bucks. Because right now, until the 18th, Thinkful has a $15 seat deal, I guess, for Toolkit members only. So yeah, 15 bucks, 30 bucks. Two cool looking seats. I guess I could have just left this one. It's not in that good condition. You know, it's kind of worn out seat bolster, but I don't really care. I'll use it in something. It looks cool enough. So yeah, that is it for this one. Not really a lot happened besides the seats did a little venturing as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.